Look at my house. It's all
Not sure if I'll... Over here, bud! Come on!
গাড়ি নড়তে পারছে না আর
Not sure if I'll get all this shoveling done. Trying to get the...
Toronto's worst snowstorm in nearly 60 years hit Pearson International Airport, IIZ, and Billy Bishop Airport, ITZ, over the weekend, sending shockwaves through Canada's business travel network. Environment and Climate Change Canada recorded 46 centimeters of snow at Pearson on Sunday, January 25, breaking the airport's daily record and pushing this month's total to a record 88.2 centimeters. Aviation analytics firm Cirium reported that as of 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday, 41% of IIZ flights and 30% of YTZ flights had been cancelled, with a domino effect in Montreal, Trudeau, Calgary, and Vancouver. Toronto, Canada's largest city and the fourth most populous in North America, woke up on Monday to near paralysis after up to 60 centimeters of snow fell on Sunday and temperatures reached minus 15 degrees Celsius. Canada faced one of its coldest days in recent years on Saturday, with wind chill temperatures reaching minus 55 degrees Celsius due to a polar vortex in the western part of the country, causing problems with transportation and power systems.
আজকের মতো বরফ আমি এর আগে পড়তে দেখিনি গাড়ি নড়তে পারছে না
Canadian authorities warned that wind chill temperatures could reach minus 55 degrees Celsius on Saturday in the western provinces, known as the Prairies, while in Ontario, the country's most populous province and its industrial heartland, temperatures would range from minus 30 to minus 45 degrees. The weather forced the cancellation or delay of numerous flights across the country. Air Canada, Canada's flagship airline, said the cold weather was causing delays at Montreal and Toronto airports, the latter being the country's largest and one of the busiest in North America. Similar situations were also experienced by other airlines in locations such as Quebec City and Halifax, the latter located on Canada's Atlantic coast.
আর প্রায় 3 ফিট মতো স্নো বরফ যাচ্ছে একটু কাছে বাধ্য হয়ে কোনো রাস্তাঘাটের লোকজন
Toronto police advised the metropolitan area's approximately 6 million residents to avoid going outside as much as possible due to severe traffic congestion in the city. On Sunday evening, when it became clear that snowfall would reach record levels, the city declared a climate emergency, imposing extraordinary measures such as banning parking on several major roads. The city's transportation agency stated that while some buses were not running, metro and streetcar services were operating relatively normally, although local disruptions were possible.
Look at my house. It's almost full of snow. Look at the car.
A similar situation is affecting Toronto's commuter rail service, which, while operating, is experiencing significant delays on its main routes. Toronto Pearson International Airport, Canada's largest airport and one of the busiest in North America, recorded 46 centimeters of snow, a single-day record. The previous record was set in 1966 with 36.8 centimeters of snow. This situation forced the cancellation of hundreds of flights, and others experienced significant delays. Schools and universities in the city were closed on Monday. The same is true for most private childcare centers. However, childcare centers operated by the City of Toronto have decided to remain open. Toronto police said there were 438 crashes in the city in the past 24 hours, while the Ontario Provincial Police, OPP, reported about 200 accidents on provincial roads and at least 150 cases of vehicles getting stuck in snowdrifts. City workers are prioritizing snow removal for roads, a process that can take several days, and will then continue clearing the tons of snow that have accumulated over the past 24 hours. The storm that caused this historic rainfall is now moving east across the country. Thousands of people in Montreal, Canada's second-largest city, have been without power since Sunday. Furthermore, most Montreal schools will remain closed on Monday. The city woke to wind-chill temperatures of minus 20 degrees Celsius, which were expected to drop to minus 25 degrees Celsius overnight, and up to 10 centimeters of snow. An unprecedented Arctic air wave in the past decade has plunged Canada into extreme weather conditions, breaking historic cold records in the western part of the country and paralyzing Toronto, North America's most populous city, with snowfall reaching 60 centimeters in some areas. The Meteorological Service of Canada, Environment and Climate Change Canada, maintained an orange alert, the second highest severity level, in the provinces of Saskatchewan, Manitoba, and much of Ontario, while air and land transportation systems experienced major disruptions.
আজকের মতো বরফ আমি এর আগে পড়তে দেখিনি, গাড়ি নড়তে পারছে না, আর প্রায় 3 ফিট মতো স্নো বরফ